guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be using a full face using only Makeup Revolution products. Obviously the lip, the lashes and the eyeliner are something different, but yes honey, we only got this full face using Makeup Revolution. So if you want to see how I got this peachy pink look, then keep on watching. So first off, I'm using the new Fast Base foundation stick in F1 and swiping this all over my face. The coverage on this is so good, I'm really impressed. I would definitely recommend buying this if you're a full coverage queen like me. And now I'm just blending it all in. Next I'm using a full coverage concealer. It's called Conceal and Define by Makeup Revolution in C1. I know this look is a little pale, but everything will come together at the end when I apply bronze, etc. Now just blending that in. Taking the contour palette and using the yellow powder to set my face in all the places that are shiny. Now using the lightest shade of brown from the contour palette to define those cheekbones, nose, jawline and forehead. Next, using the blush palette in Hot Spice and taking the orange blush and applying this to the apples of my cheeks. Now I'll be using the Reloaded Iconic Division eyeshadow palette in the yellow shade, and I'm just sweeping this on underneath my brow bone and then using the lightest shade of orange and overlapping the two together and blending it out. Now for a bit of definition to the eye, taking the darkest shade of brown and applying this only in the outer corners of my eye while blending it into my crease. Using the Conceal and Define concealer again and mapping out my eyelid shape for that cut crease look. I'm also blending this in using a flat brush and just patting it in slightly. Now taking the highlighter in the Hot Spice blush palette and just popping this in the middle of my lid. Then taking the darker highlighter and popping this in the outer corners of my lid and the inner corners of my lid for that spotlight glow. Again, using the darkest brown shade in the Iconic Division palette and just slightly sweeping over the top to blend all those colours together. Now I'm using the orange shade and I'm just going to be sweeping that underneath my lash line. Now taking the darkest brown again and applying that in exactly the same way and just smoking it out. I am now using Makeup Revolution's new Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown to reshape my brows. This is a really good dupe to Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. It's less expensive, but I would say you have to warm the product up with a brush before using it. It makes it easier to glide on. Last but not least, using the Sun Kiss highlighter in Unicorn, swirling all of the colours together to get that iridescent glow, and applying to my cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, lips, brows and tear ducts. And that's it, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.